Hello guys, in this lesson we will talk about the Fibonacci expansion tool. This tool is already familiar to you. It's basically the Fibonacci extension that we talked about in this course. What did we say about the Fibonacci extension? First, we draw it by stretching the Fibonacci retracement. Levels 0 to 100 represent retracement levels, and all levels above 100 represent the Fibonacci extension levels. In order to get Fibonacci extension levels on this way, we need 2 points. When we measure the growing leg from top to bottom, we stretch the Fibonacci, point 1 and point 2. The displayed levels represent the potential profit targets. It is the other way of using the Fibonacci extensions, if you remember. So, the main feature of this tool is that only one leg is used to calculate the extension levels, while this leg is ignored. With the Fibonacci expansion tool, this second leg is taken into account, so a third point also appears. Okay, let's draw one. We'll click on Insert, then the Fibonacci and choose the expansion. For the calculation, we always take the last wave in the trend. We need 2 legs that are formed, and we of course want to anticipate the third. In the rising trend, it moves from the bottom to the top, and as you can see, we also have this extra dashed line. Double click on it and move it exactly to the level of point 3. The obtained levels represent levels where the price growth could stop and reverse the trend. In downward trend, it is also run on the last wave. We need 3 points, first, second, and third. From point 1 to point 2, we stretch the Fibonacci expansion, double click on dotted line, and move this line to the level of point 3. So we have 2 legs that are formed, this one, and the third one has not yet been formed, and with this tool we want to predict it. In this case, Fibonacci expansion tells us that the price could decline to this first level marked with the number 100 or to the other numbered 161.8, and then there could be a reversal in the direction of the price movement. As I explained when we did the Fibonacci extension, this tool is also used to determine the profit targets. Okay, we'll take this currency pair to illustrate. Imagine that we entered the buy position at this level. For example, we found an important level of support or Fibonacci cluster and open a buy trade. The price has started in the right direction and we are making a profit. We hope that the price will continue to rise, but the question is, how much will the price rise and where to set the profit target? If you're not sure where to place a profit target, use this tool and set your profit target at one of these 2 levels. Depending on your preference to risk, decide which level is better for you. In trading for determining the profit target, I do not use this tool but the classical Fibonacci extension, and I focus on the level 127.2 and 161.8. In any case, it's not a mistake to use the Fibonacci expansion tool because it gives pretty similar data. I personally prefer to use this classic because it's simpler and it is used by most traders on the stock market, so I think it's more relevant. This would be all regarding additional Fibonacci tools. As you can see, I do not use them much in trading. The reason for this is very simple. When I find a certain level of support or resistance with the help of Fibonacci, I always ask for additional confirmation for entering the trade. I do not think that any additional security for entering the trades is given again by Fibonacci or these additional Fibonacci tools that we have explained. But for that purpose, I use the previous tops and bottoms, trend lines, channels, technical patterns, RSI indicator, and other things. In the next session, I will give you some useful tips and we will be preparing for live trading. Thank you very much for your attention and try to solve the following quiz. See you!